Today we are going to learn some important facts about parser. What they are, and they are, we can say, except LR0 parser. Except LR0 parser, other parser changes will happen in action part only. That is, we can say, in reduce part where we are writing reduce R1 R2 like this. So blank entry also changes, because in action part we write reduce part in all blank entries, so blank part also get changed. So we can say we write reduce in every state of action, because it is we know, because we write reduce in every state of action, and because it is LR0 parser. In the last lecture whatever we have learned, according to that we are talking. So conflict will come, in it, and the type of conflict can be the one can be shift reduce conflict, or we can say reduce shift conflict, and the second can be reduce conflict. These two type of conflicts can be possible. And what else? LR0 parser, or we can say if LR0 parser conditions are satisfied, then it can be, if LR0 parsing condition satisfied, then it can be SLR1 and LR1 and CLR1 also. If a parser satisfy LR0 condition, then it can be SLR1, LALR1 and CLR1 also. And in the parser, if the parser is different from LR0 parser, then go to in other parser except LR0 parser, go to part and shift part will remain same in all parser, and number of states of all parsers are also same. These all things are same. What we can say state which contain conflict, called inaddicative state. And so we can say state which does not contain conflict, called addicative state. So these are some important things about the RA0 parser and related to other parsers, how the parsing table can be changed, what things are different, and few more terms are there which we will learn in the next lecture.